Hi guys, Kaylee, and I'm gonna be doing a squishy video. Here is this cake.
That's my one thing with her is she's so has to do it this way.
Here's this dog.
You want to be safe, so don't completely put your blinders on.
Here's this old ice cream.
Here, the last 2 weeks are the hardest too, just because you're
Here is this cute penguin.
Yeah.
And I hope you enjoy. Subscribe and comment. Bye guys.